Hello guys and welcome to TechRick's tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to delete Reddit account on laptop, so by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser right here, and then on the search bar, just search for reddit.com. And then once you are now on their website, make sure that you are logged in into your account wherein you want to delete your account with. So once you're now logged in, the next thing that we need to do is to go on the top right corner and then click your profile icon, which is right here. And then once you click that, just look for settings right here. As you can see, here is the settings. So just click that, and then once you click the settings, you will be redirected right here, wherein if you scroll down, you will see this delete account in the advanced section. So just click delete account. And then once you delete account, you will have this kind of box wherein you will be asked a reason why you're leaving, your username, and then of course the password. So all you have to do is to just type your reason for leaving. So it is also optional, you can just leave it blank. Then of course your username, you're gonna put your username right there, and then of course your password. And then once you do that, just click this I understand that deleted accounts aren't recoverable. And then after that, just click the delete button. And then after that, your account on Reddit will now be automatically and permanently deleted. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechRick's tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.